Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Lone Star Chick Plans, and today we're going to be doing a cash stuffing for my mom, aka Gramzee's budget for the month of September. So we're cash stuffing for bills and sinking funds. So we're going to do a quick cash count. Y'all just bear with me because I'm still feeling a little bit sick and I'm trying to get over this whatever I have, and so my voice may sound a little funny or muffled. So let's do a quick cash count and then we'll get ready to stuff. So let me just get this out of the way here. So we should have $1,297. So let's see if we do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000. 100, 200, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97. So $1,297, and that is what we have. So I'm just going to go ahead and get this set up real quick and then we'll get started. Alright, so let's get started here. We are going to start with our renter's insurance. So renter's insurance is getting $6. That's going to be a 5 and a 1. And then we'll also give it a quick count and make sure that's what we have. So we should have $42, 20, 45, 46, 47. Oh yeah, we should have $48. We started with 42 and that's what we have. The next one we're stuffing is car insurance, and that should be $108. So 100, 5, 6, 7, 8, 108. And let's see what we have in here. So we have, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 50, 61, 62, 63, 64. So 864. Yep, that matches what we should have. And we'll update the trackers offline so we don't hold up the video anymore. Car registration is getting $9. So this just renewed for us. So we're starting over this month. And so we're getting a 5 and 4 ones. And so there's nothing in there right now. So we're going to have $9. Okay, so next is copays. Copays is not getting anything because we have $50 in there now. And let's just give it a quick cash count. 20, 40, 50. So yes, we have $50 in copay. So we're not going to save anything right now. Medicines, we are saving $1. And this is just for a quarterly prescription that she gets. For gifts, we are doing $25, and that is going to be a 20 and a 5. So 20 and a 5, and we don't have anything in there now. Okay, so the next thing is printer ink, and we are not stuffing this one, but let's give it a quick cash count. We should have 31, 10, 20, 31. So we should have $31. So our Google One subscription is $3, and we already renewed this for this year, so this is for next year. So $3, and I believe we probably will have what we need very soon. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So we have $30. So I believe we'll have to save one more month, which will be, I think, two more dollars, because it's like 31 and some change for the subscription. So we should have it for next year. We're not going to save anything for software, which is our McAfee right now. This is what we're kind of putting in here. We're not going to start this till January because we just bought it. So we're going to give ourselves a little break here. So for rent, trash, and pest control, we are now paying $910. So we are going to count out 900. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 910. So that's how much we're saving for next month's rent. We are a month ahead. So this is for next month's rent. Utilities is 110. And for utilities, we're estimating high. So just in case our bill comes more than what we budgeted, we're kind of trying to build up a little buffer here. So let's just double check and see how much we have. I'm showing we should have about $238. So 1, 2, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we do in fact have $238. So electric, we are stuffing 75. So that's a 50, a 20, and a 5. Let's see how much we have in here, because we are doing the same thing with electric. We are building up a little buffer, so just in case, we have a little bit extra in here to help us out. 150, 70, 85, 95, 96. So 196, and that is what we should have. So right now, as of this month, we're trending with an $83 credit. So hopefully when we settle up, we will actually maybe have a free bill in here somewhere. Internet should be $50, and that is our last envelope to stuff for today. We're not doing our car wash subscription right now because it's just not in the budget. So that is all we have for today, you guys. This is Gramzee's cash stuffing for the month of September for bills and sinking funds, and that is it for today, and I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, do all the things. Share this with someone that you think could find this useful, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.